When it comes to the safety of battery energy storage systems, risk management starts well before the unit is energized. It begins with transportation. BESS units are high value, high risk cargo, so carrier vetting is critical. Check the carrier's roadside inspection performance history on the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration's website, SAFER or SMS. Vehicle maintenance issues, trends in cargo securement, or other concerns may assist in carrier selection. Before delivery, plan ahead. Review the access route, especially for remote sites, and confirm that roads are level, with gradual incline, and can handle heavy loads. When the unit arrives, inspect it thoroughly for any visible impairment, such as vents or water damage. Where the BESS unit will be placed should be prepped so it is clear, level, and elevated to avoid drainage issues. It should be placed away from traffic zones and other equipment and have barriers to prevent accidental strikes. Unloading is another risk point. Whether using a crane or lull, make sure rigging is in good condition. It should be free from tears or abrasions and rated for the weight of the load. And make sure a pick plan is in place. If using a crane, best practices include use of certified operator, cribbing to stabilize outriggers, and proof rolling where applicable to mitigate rollover potential. The goal isn't just to unload, it's to do so safely. Before the unit is ready to go live, store it properly in a temperature-controlled, protected environment. Ideally, on-time delivery for immediate installation is a best practice to avoid temporary storage concerns. When placing the unit, adhere to spacing requirements, especially near other units or buildings. It is important to prevent water or dust intrusion whenever the cabinet is accessed and during commissioning. Always follow OEM guidelines and work with certified contractors who are trained in arc flash, electrical shock, and fire risks. Check that the HVAC system is functioning and, most important, have an emergency response plan in place before energizing the system. Finally, run through your startup checklist. At this stage, even small oversights can cause big problems. Every phase before activation is an opportunity to reduce risk. Plan ahead, pre qualify your partners, and prepare the ground, both literally and figuratively, for a safe and successful launch.